Hey there, have you ever wondered what life would be like if the Earth were flat as a pancake? If then, how would life as we know it change? What about the gravity? What lies beyond the known world? What about the atmosphere? What beyond the edges? Today, we're diving deep into this what if scenario with density. Let's start the journey. Before this, let's do a quick recap of the myth of flat Earth. For thousands of years, public thought that the Earth was flat. It is a historical myth that medieval Europeans generally thought the Earth was flat. This myth was created in the 17th century. The most pre-Socratics retained the flat Earth model, and Nicholas Copernicus came around with a new theory. The theory said the Earth wasn't flat, it was round in shape. His theory said that the planet is orbiting the sun. Do you know why the planets form in spherical shape? Gravity. Yes, gravity is pulling matter together equally from every side. As a result, matter forms into a sphere. But for the case of flat Earth, there is no such thing as gravity. We only feel like there is because some mysterious force is accelerating the pancake-shaped Earth upwards. If you want real science, then, yes, there would be gravity on flat Earth. For flat Earth, gravity is right at its center. Everything around it will pull to its center. Of course, there will be a side effects on most of the pancake like Earth. This results to the further you walk away from the center, the more difficult it will get to move forward as gravity will begin to pull you backwards. Objects closer to the edge of the Earth fall sidewise instead of down. Gravity makes trees grow diagonally on flat-shaped Earth. And this is the reason why you couldn't walk to the edge of a flat Earth. Gravity is so strong there, so it's impossible to do it. This type of Earth doesn't hold the atmosphere layers. That means troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Due to this, the flat Earth temperature will drop. Due to this, it forms ice. And the blue sky becomes a black like a space. And there will be no oxygen in the Earth. This leads to extinction of every living species. For this type of Earth, edges are protected by the Great Wall of Ice. The oceans would get sucked to the center of the disk too, and form one big ocean in middle of the Earth. Gravity would draw too much air towards the center of the Earth, leaving the areas around the edges. There is no air pressure at all. That's bad. People at the edge of Earth, they don't get enough oxygen to breathe. The flat Earth wouldn't have the geomagnetic field around it. This field is generated by the movements of the Earth's core. Well, a flat Earth wouldn't have one. We will be exposed to solar radiation, causes cancer and damage our DNA. Perhaps we don't bother about the flat Earth. Our Earth is in shape of ellipsoid. And that's what for now. For more video like this, subscribe to The Density.